Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire CCM C1 multi-connector compression crimp tool, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The CCM C1 is designed to install RCA, BNC, and F-type compression connectors onto RG59, RG6, RG6 quad shield, RG7, and RG11 coax cables. This flexibility allows the user to create custom length cables for use on satellite, security, and home entertainment systems. The CCM C1 features double molded handles for a comfortable grip and a powerful crimping force for a secure connection. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.